There was one tropical cyclone in the last 12 hours. Tropical Cyclone VAYU was located in the Arabian Sea basin. Yesterday, there was an unexpected change in the forecast track of Very Severe Cyclonic Storm VAYU. Here is a report from the Times of India.
That after I have spoken to the meteorological department, and they have confirmed to me that around 2:30 they got the confirmation that this cyclone VAYU has changed its course. Now it will move within the sea parallel to the coastline. It will not make a landfall, which is a relief for the Gujaratis, the people, those who are living in Saurashtra. Cloudy weather, winds and rains that will take place in the entire region, but there will not be a damage. This has been officially confirmed by IMD to us. It is moving within the sea, and we have also been told that the speed of this, which was predicted before was 165 to 170, has now come down to 200 kilometers per hour if the cyclone will move within the sea. Locations right behind me, I'll ask my video journalist to pan and show you. Those places have been completely evacuated. Those are the villages of fishermen. So for the next 48 hours, the agencies and the authorities will be on high alert. They'll keep monitoring the cyclone, and by at 8:30, Swati, we'll get to know the latest. What is the position of the cyclone?
Here is the report from the India Meteorological Department at 0830 hours IST of today, the 14th June 2019, bulletin number 32. The Very Severe Cyclonic Storm VAYU over northeast and adjoining east-central Arabian Sea moves westwards with a speed of about 4 kilometers per hour in the last 6 hours and lay centered near latitude 21.0 degrees north and longitude 68.3 degrees east over northeast and adjoining east-central Arabian Sea, about 150 kilometers west-southwest of Porbandar, Gujarat. The system is moving nearly west-northwestwards, affecting Porbandar with wind speed of 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, gusting to 70 kilometers per hour. The wind speed very likely to decrease gradually as the system is moving away from the coast. The India forecast track shows the system continuing to travel west and become a cyclonic storm on 16 June 2019 at latitude 21.4 degrees north and longitude 66.1 degrees east, about 365 kilometers from Porbandar, Gujarat, India. The cyclone veers away, but Gujarat is still on high alert for the next 48 hours, according to the Times of India, for good reason. Very Severe Cyclonic Storm VAYU was moving west away from Gujarat coastline Thursday afternoon and evening before pushing into the open North Arabian Sea Friday. The latest microwave pass, VAYU has weakened somewhat, losing an apparent eye in the infrared image. All convection is southwest of the center, definitely weakening, and very good news for India. Here is a close-up of Very Severe Cyclonic Storm VAYU skirting the Saurashtra coast of Gujarat, India. Heavy rain continues along the coast into Friday. According to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, Tropical Cyclone VAYU, Storm 02A, sustained winds are 90 knots, with gusts to 110 knots, associated with Warning 15. Environmental analysis reveals that the system is experiencing marginal conditions. VAYU is forecast to track slowly westward between a subtropical ridge positioned over the Arabian Peninsula and a subtropical ridge to the northeast. The intensity will gradually weaken over the next 48 hours as dry air entrapment erodes the system. As Tropical Cyclone VAYU weakens, low-level southwesterlies combined with an approaching mid-latitude trough will cause the system to make a sharp northeastward turn. It's at this point the dynamic computer models disagree. Here is what they are showing. First, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center and GFS models show the forecast track heading back to Gujarat and making landfall approximately Monday, 17 June 2019, just south of the border between India and Pakistan and then dissipate over land. On the flip side, both the India Meteorological Department and NAVGEM shows VAYU continuing west away from India and dissipating out to sea. However, the NAVGEM track moves further towards the coast of Somalia and dissipates out to sea as a low. NAVGEM was correct in their beginning forecasts, which had consistently depicted a more western track with no turn to the northeast, due to the complex steering environment and sharp turn in the forecast. Unlike the other computer models, including the Joint Typhoon Warning Center and GFS, that showed landfall in Gujarat on 13 June 2019. So therein lies the dilemma. Gujarat is still on high alert for the next 48 hours for good reason. Only time will tell the direction the storm will take. In any event, we need to remember by 36 hours, if VAYU turns towards India as the GFS models indicate, after the turn to the northeast, the system will weaken more rapidly. The dry air significantly weakens VAYU and erodes rain shield before returns to Gujarat late Sunday into Monday as a depression or remnant low late Sunday or Monday. It will not return as a Category 2 tropical cyclone. Once over land, it will dissipate quickly, leaving Gujarat and Rajasthan a few showers and storms instead of complete devastation. As we all know, no two cyclones are alike, so please click on the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen and bell for notification of new video updates.